obviously a lot of repick. Too good, too good.
She don't like things crashing down. Yeah. She won't make a play. Baby. I bet that I can show.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Jackie, and you know we're never tacky. In today's video, you guys, I will be washing my hair post keratin treatment. It's been about 2 weeks, and I haven't tried any of these products ever a day in my life except for one, and it would be like this one here. All of these hair products are very new to me, but they're highly recommended. I did do a mini haul on my shorts and TikTok, so if you do want to see that, go ahead and check that out. But we are gonna get into it. I have this style, and I do have a tutorial on this hairstyle. I do have a tutorial on this hairstyle on my channel, so if you want to see how I did this, go ahead on my channel and look for that. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. But anyways, outside of that, let's get into this hair tutorial. Let's wash this hair. It smells so good. Oh my goodness. This is what wash number 2 is looking like. But like I said, even on my initial wash, of course, like I did lose my curl pattern for the most part, but my hair still feels like relatively strong. But it's looking like I might need a keratin treatment next time. A protein treatment. But I'm also gonna do the Wonder 8 next step is Wonder. I don't know how shinier my hair is gonna get because it's literally already shiny, but even if I turn to a disco ball, I won't be mad. I will not be mad. Application process. My hair not even long enough to do all that, so I'm just gonna put a little bit in my hand and douse it like that. Funny enough, it does feel like it has a little heat to it. And as you know, me and my fingers are best friends. Okay, I'm gonna do what I'm told. Now, how am I supposed to do this whole process in 8 seconds? Oh, come on. Did they genuinely say for 8 seconds? So this is how much hair loss that I have right now. This is still a lot less than I would have if it was my natural hair, because I feel like I would have more kinks and coils if it was my natural hair. And obviously that's to lower tangles and more breakage, blah 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 blah. You know the ordeal. So I'm gonna rinse this out really quickly. I'm good. Boots on the ground journalism. So right now it feels I don't know, it feels better. Like it made my hair feel better than wood off with. I don't know how to describe the sensation, but it's a lot better, especially for this part of my hair. It just feels a little bit more secure. So I can't wait to do that. I'm of course gonna go in with the sister product, of course the shampoo by L'Oreal, and I'm gonna put a generous amount on my head. Now I'm not sure if I'm supposed to like mask it on or leave it on, but I'm just gonna like finger comb it through my hair just so my hair can feel the love. And of course we're gonna do the ends, the back. We're gonna do pepper heart. I'm gonna go for my hand too, just so everything. Now my hair being long enough to touch my face. That is so tea. I feel like it's been more than 3 minutes now. I'm gonna rinse this out. So my hair just soaked up every inch of that conditioner. So obviously a lottery pick. Too good, too good. I should have been had that in my hair. I should have been bought that line. Oh my goodness. Like it made it easier for me to detangle through my hair. And on top of that, it's so hydrating. It is so, It's so hydrating, it smells good, and it has rosemary, which my hair loves a good rosemary. Oh my god, okay. Before I forget, because I do be rewatching my own videos, like I do need a protein treatment because yeah, I do. I need a protein treatment. But I am super loyal and I ride at Dawn for this K18 heat damage shampoo. Just these for my ends to my ends. I mean from the ends to the length of my hair primarily. And same time as the other one. Like the parts that you see that are straight are clearly my leave out when I do a side part and a middle part. Those are those parts that went straight when I did do the keratin treatment. But my natural hair held its own too, so super proud. Okay, so this is what it looks straight out the shower. It's a little bit dried, a tiny bit. Now I was gonna go in with a hair mask, but I don't want to do that because a hydrating hair mask is all I have. But here it just feels a little too stringy for my liking, meaning my hair needs some level of protein or some repairing some sort. So I'm gonna go in with this K18 molecular mask, and they say beginning of 3 pumps. Yeah, I used to 1, 2, 3. I used to use this so wrong, but that's 3 pumps for me right there. That's about 3 pumps for me, and you're supposed to do that. This is how you're supposed to use this. But I'm gonna go with my trouble areas, which is obviously my leave out, the one that's in the end, start approaching and hitting my end. And I've been using this product for over a year now, and even when I was using it wrong, it was still there for me. I added 2 more pumps, and of course I'm gonna use the finger combing method because I feel like I'm only using a brush if I need to in this step, so I can easily comb through my hair. I'm gonna go in with brush, and right now this is how much hair on my hand for finger combing. But this is a 4-minute mask. I'm so geek. This is a 4-minute mask, so we're gonna let it sit 4 minutes, and I'm gonna be right. Okay, so I currently don't have any protein related product except for this one. That's just gonna be for next week's wash, but I'm gonna go in with this. This is the only thing that I have that has protein in it and keratin, so best of both worlds. Now, how did I know I needed protein? This little spot, like I said, this was pre-damaged before I even did the keratin treatment. As you can see, the parts that are already straight were the situation where I did my side part and my middle part. So this good chunk is already, it was already straight for the most part. But I'm gonna go in with the healthy amount. Ooh, I hate that smell. Like, it's so strong. I'm gonna go in with this brush. I love this brush because it is gonna help spread the product throughout my hair. I feel like every strand is going to get coated and loved on. And since I don't like to secture my hair that much, I'm gonna comb in all directions, go on with some more. So now this product here is heat activated, so I'm going in with a little bit of thumb. I'm super excited to try this product. I don't want to wait another week. I'm gonna go in with it. I'm so psyched because the lineup for this product was crazy. The reviews are crazy, so I'm excited. This is an interesting way to open the product. That's a first for me. Mine. So this is the Shea Moisture Silk Press in a bottle, and I just want to see what it does. Hold on, how much they want me to? So just 1 or 2 pumps of this. Okay, 1, 2. Supposed to be sweat proof, heat proof, and I am super excited. And I don't know, what do you guys feel about? Y'all know how like the girls were like, why were they advertising people who had on wigs? Like, do you not take care of your wigs the same way you would your hair, or do you just, I don't know, do you not do that? Like, do people not do that? I don't know. Okay, you guys, and this is how much hair I've lost from that process. So none. For my blow dryer of choice today, we're gonna go in with this Revlon thing. I like this one, not the bristles, but I do like the fact that it's a 2-in-1. I'm able to do one of these, take it off, and have it just straight heat. I do like this to dry off my hair, and I'm gonna go in with a separate one. But this process can be redundant. So next, okay, so this is what it looks like when I just dried my hair. I didn't blow dry, so we're gonna blow dry straight. I'm gonna go in with the Revlon. Is this Revlon? Her name is crap. Oh, this is also by Revlon, and I like the comb attachments on here because it actually brushes through my hair as I go. And yeah, again, blow drying can be redundant. Like, ooh. And another thing that I do love about this keratin treatment, would I use the same one? No, but I do like the fact that it lightened my hair because I was already thinking about coloring my hair. But yeah, it was like a 2-in-1 process for me, and I really when we just blew dry, we just blew her out. Now we're gonna go in. Wash day is still wash day, I guess. Wash day is still wash day, but I'm gonna keep it on 320. This is a Dymo round brush, and I just want to like get my root before I go in with the flyer, and I feel like that's not gonna be it. I'm gonna go in with my K18 hair oil just to make my I don't know, feel useful as the round brush is going. Now, if you're a person that applies heat to their hair a lot, kind of like I do, K18 is your saving grace. Like, I guarantee you, girl. Okay, so this is what it looks like, freshly blown out to my life, or as best as I get it. So now we're gonna go in with a flat iron. Y'all, it's so late at, but girl, do what her classes do. almost fell off a chair. I'm not even saying that. We're gonna take the babe list. Oh my god. We're gonna take her and I'm gonna have my babe list on. I'm gonna do 380 today because I do want the silk press to last a while and not add heat. So we're gonna do 380 today. Oh, and we're mad. Let me let her warm up and already up. Say one line. We're gonna go in with can you tell I'm getting sleepy? Can you tell I'm getting sleepy now? I'm gonna go with a little bit of it. I don't know. I did my best to wrap it, so I'm just curious to see how it goes. Hey. Okay. Where's the breath? Oh my goodness, this is so pretty. It definitely looks a whole lot better out the shower. Once it was wrapped, oh my god. And it smells so freaking good. Yeah, I'm gonna style it, do my makeup, and wrap it. Do all of it. If I can find my scissors, I am gonna trim my hair. I'm not even gonna hold you. I'm going to have this little bendy part is annoying me. And I know it looks fine from the back. Like it looks like layered. My ends are not screaming for help at all whatsoever, but I do want to like kind of even this out, especially now that I want to wear my hair a bit more in the middle. Like this little piece. Or I'm just gonna be, yeah, I don't want to be conformed to that one hairstyle. I love changing my hair. I do, and I feel like, hold on, I have no idea what I want to do. Okay, so y'all, this is my face right now. I mean, this is the hair so far, super pretty. So you guys, this is actually, I had to force myself to curl it because if I wasn't gonna curl it, I was on the verge of cutting it, and it makes no sense. Cause like, if you literally look on my video list, I just cut my hair like last week. It's an addiction at this point, but like, it's a serious addiction at this point. But I will go in. I'm gonna do my makeup and I'm gonna be right back. You girls look suitsy. Real quick, I'm gonna be right back. But anyways, you guys, this is how my hair turned out for today's wash. I love it so very much. I love the fact that I added a curl, and I'm kind of learning the angles of my hair because again, thinner on this side, fuller on that side. So I just wanted to be able to add curls to it. I was tempted to cut it earlier, I remember. But good thing I didn't find scissors when I needed to, well, when I wanted to, because I think I would have regretted it considering how my hair turned out now. But yeah, you guys, if you haven't already, go ahead, like, comment, subscribe, and until next time, you guys.